Candy and welcome to our channel. 안녕하세요. 저는 캔디입니다. 저희 채널 오시는 것은 환영합니다. And if you are new in our channel, 처음 오는 분들이 please don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. 오는 분들이 구독해주세요. 좋아해주세요. And yes, and for the last time we had talked about the telephone conversation. How will you answer the call when somebody is calling you and you are busy? 바쁠 때 어떻게 받아요? 어떻게 전화 받을 수 있는 것은 that was our topic last time. 그분이 우리 내용 하는 거. 오늘은 we are going to continue our topic and get real unit 5A. 5A 그때 끝났어요. It was finished last time and today we're going to continue. It's 5B. It's about we talk about the weather, kinds of weather. In Korea, talking about weather is there is a common topic every day. When you meet someone or when you start a conversation, you have to talk about the weather. It's in Korea, but in Philippines, it's not so. I think it's not so popular about the weather. Asking about the weather, kasi 날마다 보는 거 Philippines 잘 안 물어봐요. But in Korea, it's a common and also one of the popular topic to use in the class. Is talking about the weather, the kinds of weather. Because in Korea there are 4 seasons. What are the 4 seasons? Spring, and this time is springtime, and the weather is cool, warm, 따뜻해요. And in summer it's hot, it's very hot. And in autumn it's cool, 시원하고 cool. And in winter it's cold. So that's why we talking about the weather is one of popular topic to talk about. But in the Philippines, we have only two kinds of season. In where we have 4, but where we have only 2 seasons in the Philippines. We have only dry and wet season. And dry, we call it summer. This time in the Philippines, it's summertime. March, April, May, it's summertime, and it's so hot. There's no rain. But starting in June, July, August, it's rainy days, and usually we call it springtime. But in Korea, we have 4 seasons, and this time it's spring. So may I ask you, what's your favorite season? 가장 좋아하는 계절 무엇이에요? Okay, we have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So, what's your favorite season and why? For me, I I like spring. This time spring season, because spring season I don't wear any more thick clothes, thick jacket, and yeah, I like wearing not so thick in and also it's in winter. In winter it's cold and snowy and dangerous to drive on the road, and that's why I really like spring, because flowers are everywhere. In Korea we have here many kinds of flowers, different kinds of flowers, and in fact there is flower festival in springtime, but because due to pandemic we don't last year we don't experience to go with any flower festival last year, and I hope this year we can visit to many other places that there are many beautiful flowers. And this time it's the last week of March and in the first week of April. It's cherry blossom. It's time you can see the cherry blossom. That is kind of tree flower. Yeah, cherry blossom flower is very wonderful. We don't have cherry blossoms in the Philippines because we don't have autumn. We don't have fall, and cherry blossoms during autumn season. The leaves are falling, and it will start again in spring, and it starts first with the flower. Yeah, so it's very beautiful, it's very wonderful. That is the cherry blossom. Is in Korean is poktot. Cherry blossom is poktot, but in I think that is Japanese national flower. It's sakura. Sakura. And talking about the national flower, in Korean national flower is mugunghwa. Mugunghwa, that is rose of Sharon. And in the Philippines we have sampagita. Sampagita is a very good fragrance. Yeah, it's white and very sweet fragrance. Yes, that is our national flower in the Philippines. It's sampagita, and in Korea we our national flower is mugunghwa, is rose of Sharon. And to continue about the topic today about the weather, so there are winter. It's there is snow, and noon onon nalsi snowy. Snow there, when there's snow it's snowy, but 계속 nonon onon goton it's snowing. It's snowing. Non odaga anadaga it's snowy, and this time this is fog. When the fog angge kinal say foggy, and when it's not this time springtime is foggy, and windy, wind param param bono nasi, it's windy. Okay, and rain rain ono nasi, it's raining. It's raining ono nasi. And pukpung, storm, stormy. Okay, in the Philippines there are a lot of stormy. You experience a lot of stormy weather. Okay, stormy, pukpung unon, stormy. And clouds, kurum, clouds, 구름 기날. See, it's cloudy. Okay, so yeah, and this time it's outside is 구름 많이 기nas. It's cloudy, but still cold. Springtime still cold in Korea, and it's cloudy. Sometimes it's foggy. In the morning, it's foggy. Okay, but in spring, it's warm. Okay, it started to warm. It's warm in spring. Open your book in page 24. So page 24, it's what's the weather like. So write the correct picture next to its picture below. So we are talk about, so there are some there are 4 pictures here, and you have to write the number in its box. Okay, so so here there are some words here. It's warm and sunny. It's warm and sunny. 따뜻하고 맑아요. And it's snowing. The word here, the sentence, it's snowing. And 눈 오는, snowing. And it's foggy. 안기겐, it's foggy. Yes. And there is another, it's windy and it's raining. 바람 부는, 바람 부르고 그리고 비 와요. And there's a typhoon. 태풍도 있어요. Okay, there's typhoon. Typhoon, 태풍, typhoon. Okay. But we don't have so much typhoon. We are very lucky here in Korea because there's no typhoon in Korea. I think maybe just once or twice in a year, but typhoon here, 여기는, it's like an ordinary rainy days in the Philippines. But in the Philippines, when there is typhoon, it's really dangerous to go outside, especially in the countryside, because the trees are falling down. Okay, so let's continue. So look at your book. So what is number here? Number one, what is it? Okay, it's number 1, it's windy and it's raining. There's a typhoon. So that is number 1. And here number 2, it's number 2. There, look at the people. What are the people wearing? Okay, it's snowy. Okay, it's cold. It's very cold. Here it's very cold and windy, and here it's stormy. And in number 2, it's very cold and windy. And number 3, it's sunny. And number 4, it's foggy. So yes. So here you have to match the sentences on the left with the ones on the right. So so here it's it's warm and sunny. It's warm and sunny. It's number 3. It's warm and sunny. And it's snowing. It's number 2. It's foggy. It's number 4. And it's windy and it's raining. There's a typhoon. It's number 1. So when there is a typhoon, it's it depends upon the signal. Signal number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It's very if signal number 3. I remember when I was young. It's signal number 3. We are going to evacuate. We evacuate to our grandparents' house because it's really dangerous. And our house wasn't strong enough. It was weak. So we had to go to our grandfather's house. We have to evacuate if there is a typhoon in the Philippines. And yeah, so that's why when I was young, I really wanted to have my dream is to have a very strong house. So if there will be a typhoon, it will be safer for us. So thanks God, we are safe now. Okay, so let's continue. Match the sentences on the left on the ones on the right. So it's hot, humid, and cloudy. It's hot, humid, and cloudy. Hot, 춥고, humid. It's humid and cloudy. No, it's very 습하고. Okay, 춥고 습하고 그름긴. So this is weather in summer. It's and here on the right sentence. Okay, you have to match. I'm wearing shorts and t-shirts. So it's very hot, humid, and cloudy. So I'm wearing shorts and a shirt, t-shirt. 너무 덥고 그름김하고 습하고 humid. So 뭘 입어요? What to wear? Shorts, 반바지하고 t-shirts. And it's stormy. 폭풍 와요. It's stormy. So I'm wearing 뭐 입어요? I'm wearing a raincoat. Okay, so I'm wearing a okay, so it's stormy. Okay, I'm wearing a raincoat. It's sunny. Okay, here it's sunny. 날씨가 맑아요. It's sunny. 따뜻해요. It's there's a sunlight. So what to wear? 뭐 써요? So wearing sunglasses. Okay, I'm wearing sunglasses. And it's very cold and windy. 춥고 그리고 바람 불어요. 뭐 입어요? I'm wearing a coat and a glove. I'm wearing a coat and a pair of gloves. Or I'm wearing a coat and gloves. Okay. 장갑 끼고 그리고 잠바 입어요. Okay, it's cool and breezy. Cool, 시원하고, and breezy. So I'm wearing 뭐 입어요? I'm wearing a jacket. I'm wearing a jacket. So that is all about for this word match. Okay, so we will have to continue after this. We are continue for listening topic. So this time we just know about words, some words Okay, so what are some words? So warm, it's warm and sunny, and it's snowing, it's foggy, it's windy, and it's raining, and there's a typhoon. Okay, so that is just for this time. We will continue later. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. That's all for today, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.